First, go to the Multi-Store tab. Here, you'll see two options, WooCommerce Stores and Shopify Stores. To add a WooCommerce store, click on Add WooCommerce Store. Now enter your store name, store URL, consumer key, and consumer secret. Once you fill in the details, click on Add Store, and your WooCommerce store will be added successfully. Now, let's do the same for Shopify. Click on Add Shopify Store. Then enter your store name, Shopify domain, and access token. Click Add Store, and your Shopify store will also be added. You can add multiple WooCommerce and Shopify stores like this. There's no limit. Next, switch to the Pairing tab and click on Create New Pairing. Here, you can select your WooCommerce store and Shopify store from the drop-down. All the stores you added earlier will be listed here. Just choose the ones you want to pair. Then select the sync direction from the drop-down. Now click on Create Pairing, and your stores will be successfully paired. Inside the pairing, you'll see 4 options: Config, Sync Now, Deactivate, and Delete. If you don't need a pairing, you can delete it or deactivate it anytime. Now, let's go into Config. In the Config section, you can set sync direction, entity types, sync operations, filters, and other pro features. Once everything is configured, click on Save Configuration. Then click on Sync Now to migrate all the configured data. Next is webhooks. This helps automate the process in real time, so there's no manual work needed. The Shopify webhook endpoint will be automatically generated for your site. Copy this URL and follow the instructions below. Go to your Shopify dashboard settings, notifications, webhooks, create webhook. Set the format as JSON. Paste the URL, choose the latest API version, and select the events you need. Click Save to finish setting up the webhook. Now copy the webhook secret shown below. Paste it into the plugin under the webhook tab in the secret section and click Save. Now your real-time webhook synchronization is successfully set up. Next is the Selective Sync tab. Here, you have 2 options, Full Sync and Selective Field Sync. Full Sync will sync all mapped fields. If you choose Selective Field Sync, you can manually select or unselect the fields you want to update. Next is the Price Rules tab. Using this pro feature, you can assign global price rules by clicking on Add Global Price Rule. Now, let's look at the SEO Migration tab. Here, you can enable features like 301 redirects, metadata migration, and structured data. You can simply turn them on or off. You can also click View Audit Log to see the results. Next is the AI Assistant tab. First, you need to set up AI in WordPress. Go to WordPress Settings Connectors and configure any AI from the list. Our plugin will automatically detect and use that AI. In the AI Assistant tab, you have an error detector feature. Click Scan for errors to find issues like missing SKUs, broken image URLs, and duplicate slugs. You also have a Content Enhancer feature. Use it to improve product titles and descriptions in a single click. You can also see your remaining credits here. Finally, the Migration Insights tab. Here, you can view and export data as CSV based on time, multi-store pairing, and entities. You can also track recent activities. This gives you a complete overview of your data. So that's how you can connect, pair, configure, and sync multiple WooCommerce and Shopify stores step by step. From adding stores to pairing, configuring sync, setting up webhooks, and using advanced features. Everything is designed to make your workflow simple and automated. You can now manage multiple stores, automate syncing, and monitor everything from one place.